Well, how'd you get over there, girl? How'd you get over there? Yeah? The grass is greener, I know. What are you gonna do? You gotta go to bed, you know. Oh my God. Well, this is how you got over there. Honey, are you trying to get your sister to come back? Are you? You need to get down. Daddy doesn't want to have to catch both of you. Oh my gosh. Come on, girls. Can you get up there? You can get back over. Oh my goodness. Honeys, it's bedtime. Come to bed. Good girl. Good girl. Now get your sister. You showed her how, and she's not doing it. Oh, it's a mess. Oh, the wind's been blowing everything back here. Hi, honey. Their other sister is behind me. She's gonna be worn out. She's been pacing. I don't know how long until... Well, I was out here a little bit ago, but... Yes. Yes. We are working on it. Do you want to help them? Oh my goodness, honeys. We will save you. Do you want us to save her? You taught them how to do this. You rough hums are the worst at it. I know, you're super cute. Oh.